Is your child catching a cough, cold, or respiratory infection every winter and making frequent visits to the doctor? This video reveals 5 proven, safe, and research-backed natural remedies that can strengthen your child's immunity, clear congestion, and prevent repeated infections. First up, warm herbal tea. Tulsi, ginger, cinnamon, and black pepper that naturally fight viruses and bacteria. Next, turmeric milk. Anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting golden drink for better lung health. Steaming with ajwain seeds. Clears blocked nose, eases breathing, and reduces mucus. Carrot and beetroot soup. Packed with antioxidants and vitamins to repair and protect cells. Citrus fruits. Vitamin C powerhouses to cut down cold duration and keep infections away. These remedies can reduce cough, ease breathing, and shorten recovery time. Follow these tips this winter for a happier child.